I was told that my last lightning talk was a bit longer than a lightning, so I'll try to speed up. So, yeah, the talk is next step Korifi, our journey from a proof of concept to a cloud service in public preview. So, last Cloud Foundry Day, we saw what the folks were doing on the Korifi project. So we took it and bundled it and put it on our cloud as a public preview. So you can use the STACKIT CLI to talk to the STACKIT API and to just deploy a cluster and try it out. So, and this talk briefly shows how it works. The details can be found on our system demo. It is on YouTube. I linked it in the presentation slides as well, that you can download from shed.com. And basically, this is how it looks in our portal. It's just next to our shared big Cloud Foundry instance. You can now deploy STACKIT Cloud Foundry on SKE, which is our STACKIT Kubernetes Engine. So how does it work step by step? I also linked the docs here who would like to try stuff out. So it is an orderable cluster that can be ordered by API CLI, and it's provisioned on our own Kubernetes engine on the STACKIT Cloud. And then afterwards, that means you can also use the regular Kubernetes engine UI to schedule, to scale the worker nodes and manage all this stuff. What else is important? So these dedicated worker nodes are running in your VPC. So you decide where the network traffic goes back and forth. You know, unlike the shared platform where you have the global big load balancer and not your own load balancer. And again, this typo from this morning. So it's scalable through the SKE product, UI, API, SDK, whatever you like. And currently, we just take it as it is, just to have a proof of concept and to try it out. So that means you would be CF admin on it. So you can, also, of course, also break it, do whatever you like with it. So it's not that we currently manage the build packs and everything. It will be populated with a set of build packs, the Paketo build packs and stuff. Yeah, it's just for trying it out. So what could be the next step? The user management, I think even last year they were already presenting the UAA integration, which was nice. But we also have some IDP integration in our Kubernetes product. So this would be next to try it out more, not to just log in with the kubeconfig, right, and have full access to everything. Then also maybe integrate the org management like we have with our shared platform right now, that you can use, yeah, have a bit more managed Korifi in the future instead of just having full admin access. And also we see that, you know, we also saw it in the previous talks that some guys you know, like to build their own CAS solutions and platforms and stuff. So what we also try is to catch these initiatives and say, hey, haven't you tried Korifi? Maybe that works for you as well. And if you extend that project, it's maybe a bit faster than starting from scratch. Yeah, so also we found out that some customers that have no CF knowledge, if they see CF, they say, no, I'm not considering it. So we have to work on this. And yeah, but maybe we can catch those if they are more interested in the Kate stuff, to show them, hey, if after CF push you can use K9S to look at your app. I don't know if that helps. Right, and the other things that it enables is making use of GPUs and stuff, and so having each customer having their own set of worker nodes instead of just having one big platform where everyone has the same shared nodes, right? Right, and of course advanced network integrations, as I already said in the beginning. All right, but what would be next stop? So meaning instead of going a step forward, it could also come to a halt if there is nearly no demand in these products, or if no one else joins the project, the Korifi project, and gets involved and helping out the guys working on it, right? So yeah, that's why I thought it would be a good idea to have a lightning talk at least, to say hello and to meet you guys at the evening reception or evening event or someone else in some follow-up sessions to talk what could be next and how to go forward and how you use it. All right, thank you.